Removing and replacing the door gasket. Begin at the top center of the door and lift the gasket up and out from behind the liner. Work your way to both sides and pull the gasket out and around from each corner of the liner. Once the gasket is released from each corner, simply pull it down to continue removing it. Continue this process until the gasket is fully removed. If necessary, use a flathead screwdriver to create more of a gap between the door liner and the frame to allow the new gasket to seat with less resistance. The black strip on the new gasket is what seats behind the door liner. Seat the new gasket on one of the corners and work your way to the opposite side. After the gasket's been seated on top of the liner, work your way down on both sides. Continue this process until the gasket is fully seated onto the liner.